Here's how you can use the House Designs option Notion template to save anything while you're browsing the internet. The House Design options allows you to save any ideas or links to items that you find that you're going to use in your home construction or your home renovation. You can just save all your different ideas, so whether that's for your master closet or porch ideas, or even things like the tile that you want, and all the different design choices that go into building or renovating a home. There are a couple of ways to do this. If you're on the main page here and you just see something, you can just click New, and then here you can type in something like tile for kitchen, and you could label it with a kitchen tag, and then you can rate the specific one. If you really love it, if you're okay with it, you can put a link to it. You can also put details or notes about it. If you have the item model number, you can enter that in. You can put the store where it is, so we can choose a Lowe's here. And then you could save an image and what it looks like. And then once you order it, you could enter in the date that you ordered it. And then you could put the order status, whether we've ordered it or it's shipped or it's been received. So this is a great way to keep track of everything. You can also add images in this empty page right here. So you can just press the backslash and enter an image. And then you could also enter the image here. So totally up to you whether you put it here or here. Another way that you can save everything is if you're browsing the web. I am on the Lowe's website, and this is a tile that I would like for the kitchen backsplash. You need to add the Notion Google Chrome extension. So they have several extensions, I believe. I'm using the Google Chrome browser. So if you just type in Notion Chrome extension, you'll be able to add this little button right here. And once you sign in and you're on a website, you just click this button. And what it will do is it will automatically add a title into the page here. But we want to add this to our actual home design choices database. Here, you're going to click it and then save page. And now what's happened is it's actually saved it inside of that database. So if we open it up, we can see here it saved the title, it saved the link, so the link is automatically saved. And then depending on what it is, a lot of times it will automatically save the actual images and data from the web page. So you can see here it automatically added in the images from that page. Now, when we go back here, I'm going to refresh that page. And so right here, you have this tile that we just saved. And so now it's automatically in that database, and you can refer to it. You can add more information to it. So you can tag this with the kitchen and all the other details that you need to do. So that's how you save all your design options. This really helps you stay on track of everything that you find or you need for your home build or renovation.